Tortora back here in the kitchen at Brian's Landing, 6523 East Seneca Turnpike in Jamesville, New York. And we are here, of course, with head chef Tom McNerney, who's going to be making for us today one of the new additions to the menu. I will let you say it.
We have a lobster grilled cheese with house marinara on the side.
So lobster grilled cheese being made right here at Brian's Landing Kitchen. Come out here to 6523 East Seneca Turnpike in Jamesville, New York to support local, support small business, and honestly to support a menu you're not going to find everywhere else. And it's because of this guy. So we're going to get started.
All right. So we're going to start with 2 pieces of sourdough bread. A little bit of butter on the flat top. And for our cheese, we got fontina, so add a few pieces each side. Alright, so now we'll heat up our lobster. Some claws, knuckles, a little bit of butter, and a pinch of salt. Throw this up here in the broiler. Alright, so our lobster. Cheese is nice and melted. Spread that out. Into it. I'll let it sit there for a second. Oh yeah, that's then serve it with a little bit of marinara. Some French fries on the side.
Right, we're here with Chef Tom McNerney here at Brian's Landing out in Jamesville, New York. And as always, Chef, you get the first bite.
All right.
When ready.
Really good. The bread is like super crispy. And it's real cheesy.
Right, Chef had his crack at it. It's now my turn here with the lobster grilled cheese. Look at all that right here. See that cheese? Just gotta jump through the screen. That's the whole point of this. All right, here we go. This tops the first one that I had. Yeah, it definitely does. See? I got to try this before off camera, but I don't know, Chef, you did something more to this one. And being me, I would just like, if I was a kid and my mom got this, I'd be pulling all the lobster out of that. Well, you know and I know that when it comes to Brian's Landing, they're creations you can't find anywhere else in Central and Upstate New York, and even if you can, they're not going to be like this. This lobster grilled cheese is fantastic, and it's perfect for this weather. It's absolutely amazing, and it makes you feel like you're in a place where it's not cold outside. So make sure you make your way over to Brian's Landing, 6523 East Seneca Turnpike in Jamesville, New York. Chef, as always, thanks for letting us have a look into the kitchen and a look behind the scenes.
Thank you.
And I'm going to say this even though he doesn't want me to. Happy birthday.